Hey, welcome to Techobia. It's Atul again. This is a quick video about the Binatone 300 Mbps DT910W modem. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upgrade your firmware for this particular modem. As for the file, you can see the link in the description. From there, you can download the file. Once the file is downloaded, you need to browse to the same file and then click on the upload. It will take some time. Make sure do not switch off your modem physically, else it will cause your modem permanently damaged. So once it will take some time, once it is rebooted, you are done. We have to log in once again to see. Where default username and the password is admin if you didn't change it yourself. As we can see, we have a September 20th 2017 version available, which is 017 version. So whenever the latest version will come, I will provide you the link in the description to the same video. So make sure to subscribe and to like the videos so that you will get notified whenever I will provide you any update related to the video. Here, the second step, a lot of the people are asking me the question that how we can use this modem as a repeater. So for that, you need to go over here, and in this section you need to select the bridge option from the drop down. Once you selected the bridge option, you can use your modem as a repeater. I hope so this information will be helpful. So if your friends are using the same modem and need to use it as a router or need any particular information about this modem, you can check my other videos on the same modem number. Here is a solution where you want to connect your Wi-Fi printers using the WPS. In most of the cases, when you go to the setup and click on the Wi-Fi, there you found that disabled WPS is ticked. So make sure that it is unchecked. So make sure to uncheck this disabled WPS and click on the apply changes. Modem reboot is required, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you liked it.